pretty good. So it's September and I've got a few more tasks to do on the bike. Today I'm going to replace the right hand side foot peg, rider foot peg. I'm also going to fix the rear decal on the bike as the number 1 has come off the K100. I'm going to fit a seal around the panniers to make them waterproof. I'm going to try and put a bolt into the left-hand side of the bike where the washers were. You would have seen that on a previous video. I didn't have a bolt, so I've got the bolt and I'm going to try and put that in. And I think that's about it for today. I've also got and found a choke cap that goes on the handlebars. So they're all the jobs I've got to do today. So let's get to it. let's give you a bit of a recap. Fitted the cap, way, something I've been after for some time, so I'm pleased I've got that. I've put in place, or repaired as best I could, the K100 decal, so the number 1 is back in place. Also put the seal into the panniers, so now they should be somewhat waterproof. I've never intended to use this for long distance touring, but it's always nice to know that should I use them, they'll be okay for my luggage. And I've managed to fit the foot peg on the right hand side for the rider back to the genuine part, or the later part, because that's the standard ones that were on the bike. The one that was on there was from a later model, and I'll show you it. There we go, that's it right there. So although it is a genuine part for a K100, it is for the post 1985 ones, and I wanted all the pegs to be matching. So yeah, that's about it. On to the next task.